Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss the human disease. That means the chapter of why do we fall ill. In previous class we health and disease free, and the topic of today deliver human disease. That means human disease can be defined as a malfunctioning of body organs due to one or more reasons. That means different types of disordered problem that occurs in our health. Types of disease, there are various types of disease. That means you study in class 8, infectious and non-infectious. Infectious is also known as communicable disease. These types of disease communicated one person to another person. There is caused to attack of microorganism or infectious agent. Such agents are called pathogens, that includes bacteria, viruses, fungi and protozoans. For example of some infectious disease are TB, tuberculosis, leprosy, cholera, malaria, influenza and rabies and AIDS. Non-infectious disease, that means you also known as non-communicable disease. These types of disease are non-infectious, that is not transmitted from one person to another person. These diseases are not caused by infectious agents. For example of non-infectious disease is diabetes, arthritis, heart disease, cancer, etc. Non-communicable diseases are due to the nutrition deficiencies such as kwashiorkor, marasmus, pellagra and goiter, beriberi, scurvy. And we discuss today acute and chronic disease. On the basis of duration and types of symptom, that means manifestation of disease can be classified into two types: acute disease and chronic disease. Acute disease have a small duration, but the symptoms are highly dangerous and fatal for life of the individuals. In acute disease, the person may be hospitalized or may be advised by complete bed rest. For example, such disease malaria, typhoid and diarrhea. Chronic disease have a very long durable, maybe months or years. Symptoms of such disease are not very alarming and sharp. They are mild the characters and provide constant slow discomfort for individuals or every persons. Chronic disease slowly degrade the health of persons. For example, such as arthritis, anemia, tuberculosis, hypertension. That means hyper blood pressure or low blood pressure, hypo and hyper situations, and a chronic disease and a poor health. Acute disease lasts for a very short duration, so they do not measure bad effect of other part of body. After the recovery, the normal health is restored. But chronic disease which lasts for a very long duration, some permanent damage of occurs to some body organs, so disease is long run may affect our general health. Chronic disease are caused prolonged poor general health. For examples, cough and cold are acute disease. They last 2 4 days, but they do not measure changes in body organs. But in case of tuberculosis, which is a chronic disease, that means lose weight, become short, breathe, and feel tired all time. That means we discussed some important causes of disease. First, disease caused by infectious agent, disease caused by virus, AIDS, influenza, chickenpox, smallpox, rabies. That means hydrophobia, hepatitis. And next, disease caused by bacteria, TB, tuberculosis, leprosy, anthrax, cholera, syphilis, diarrhea. Disease caused by protozoans, malaria, dysentery, cholera, pyorrhea. Disease caused by fungi, ringworm, and worms, tenacious, ascariasis, elephantiasis. Disease caused by nutritional deficiency, that means deficiency of proteins, marasmus and quasi-worker, deficiency of iron, anemia, deficiency of iodine, goiter, deficiency of calcium, osteoporosis, deficiency of vitamin A, night blindness, deficiency of vitamin C, scurvy, deficiency of vitamin D, rickets, that means curving of bone, with deficiency of vitamin E, that means to sterility of anemia, deficiency of B1 beriberi and B2 pellagra and B12 pernicious anemia and deficiency of folic acid caused anemia. Disease caused by gradual changes in body physiology, atherosclerosis, heart attack, high blood pressure, sleeplessness, diabetes, that is sleeping sickness, loss of memory, disease caused by the sudden change in body environment like cancer, disease caused by genetic factor, color blindness, hemophilia, phenylketonuria, and etc. Disease caused by gene configuration and genetic changes, that means hemophilus, color blindness, Down syndrome, myopia, night blindness, cystic fibrosis, alkaptonuria, disease caused by uncomfortable surroundings, anxiety, depression, high blood pressure, sleeplessness. Thank you.